Welcome back with us. So it's the 17th of our 30-day wave journey, and we are going to be doing the morning routine for today. And the next day is going to be the wash and style again. It's been a while since I've done that, so we'll be using the pomade, the darks, this time around. So you can always get this from any online store. It has a very thick texture. That's the reason I like it, and it works so well. You can see the progress from day 1 to 17. I have not been brushing enough, but I feel like there's still progress. It's just something like the more you brush, the more you get your result. Brushing is the main thing in getting waves. So let's get to our brushing session. Okay, so we're done with our brushing session. We want to use our Ziploc bag and then rag up. We do this for a few seconds or about 1 minute. We're done with everything we need to do for the morning routine. Now we want to rag up. So that marks the end of our morning routine for day 17. Day 18, we're going to be doing our first wash and style of the week.